Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi Pawar. I am a student of Britsing Institute from batch 22nd. So today's topic for daily task video is the pharmacovigilance overview. According to WHO, pharmacovigilance is defined as the science and activities relating to the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse effect or any medicine related problem. And the terms related to the science of pharmacovigilance are defined as the different settings and by the different organizations. The term used in this are more and more evidence which showing the huge effect of a poor product quality and adverse drug reactions and medication error on the healthcare, but estimating the actual scale of this effect is almost impossible because some cases go undetected and much of the documents evidence available on the medicine and the quality and adverse drug events come from the industrialized countries. For example, in a bellwether report, the United States Institute of Medicines, which is known as IOM 2000, estimated that 7,000 or more people die each year from the medication errors and adverse drug reactions, and that the cost and that the total cost may be between 17 billion in United States dollars and USD 29 billion per year in a hospital nationwide. A follow-up report estimated that more than 1.5 million Americans are injured every year by the medication errors in the hospitals, nursing homes and doctors' offices. And adverse drug events are also are costly in the term of loss of a trust in the healthcare system by the patients, and compared with that in the high income countries, the situation in low and middle income countries is likely more urgent because of the poor and poorer state of the health system infrastructure. The unreliable supply and quality of medicines and lack of adequately trained essential healthcare staff. And there are three areas of pharmacovigilance, which includes the product quality. Second one is adverse drug reactions, and third one is medication errors and quality issues related to the pharmaceutical products, which are defective, deteriorated or adulterated because of poor manufacturing practices. Inadequate distribution and storage, poor labeling or tampering, counterfeit products would fall under this category. For example, as wood medicines that have lost their potency after being stored at high temperatures. These quality assurance issues, including product problems reporting systems, are covered in detail in and in addition, pharmaceuticals donations have sometimes expired or are close to expiration or have been stored under the conditions that severely or adversely affect their quality and the quality of the medicine donations. So the importance of adverse drug reactions and medication errors and actions to take to minimize them. And adverse drug reactions, adverse drug reaction is an harmful response in the patient caused by the drug itself and given in the recommended manner. which include the dose, frequency, route of administration, etc. For example, it including the allergic reactions, effect from withdrawal, or reaction caused by interactions with other medications. And WHO defines a serious adverse drug reaction as any reaction that is fatal, life-threatening, or permanently or significantly disabling, requires or prolongs hospitalization, or relates to misuse or dependence. And when a new medicine is being developed, it goes through the several phases of testing, first with animals and then with human voluntaries, for the safety and efficacy. However, when a product is approved, it may have been tested in only thousands of patients, and many fewer than are likely to use the product once it is approved for sale on the market. Therefore, the information on the effects generated in the pre-marketing studies is incomplete relative to the full complement of likely users, making post-marketing surveillance of an important tool for the completing and the safety and efficacy drug profile of a drug product. Because it includes so many more people than are including in the pre-marketing surveillance processes. And post-marketing surveillance should be able to detect rare but serious adverse reactions, chronic toxicity, effects in sensitive groups such as children's, pregnant women, and elderly, and interactions with other pharmaceuticals, herbal medicines, or food. Often, however, linking an adverse drug reaction with a specific medicine is difficult. For example, an adverse drug reaction can occur long after a medication is administered, which makes confirming the cause a challenge. For the analyze probable causality.